Operational property as an asset discipline has a wide and varied group of assets ranging from line-side buildings through to the ones that the passengers would deal with on a more daily basis at the stations themselves, and they're all managed through the new Citadel system. And we have to do things ever more efficient, more effectively, spending the taxpayers' money wisely, which Intelligent Infrastructure as a programme has a key part to play in doing so.
The vision for intelligent infrastructure came from Network Rail. So they went to market and selected Cognizant. They came to us and said, right, we would like you to bring this vision to a reality. Our role is to look at the requirements, work out from a technology point of view and from a usability point of view and from a business point of view, how best can we deliver those capabilities to the end users.
Network Rail needed their new asset management system to be more than just a collection of different legacy systems. So working with Cognizant, we decided to use the Salesforce platform to provide a single view of the asset. We were able to use MuleSoft to integrate the data from a number of different systems to provide a real-time view of the asset. Whether it was to an engineer or someone sat in a call centre, they all had the same view of that asset.
The final Citadel solution is actually quite complex. So to actually be able to harness all of the data, put it into a manageable form, present it to the end users in a way that they can easily use. It's all based in the cloud. And if you imagine that there's a user out there next to a track or in a station or any other assets, and they may look at it and say, oh, there's a problem. So he gets his phone, he points to it because it's GIS enabled, so we know exactly where he is. He can literally tag a photograph saying, that is where there is a problem. He writes a bit of text to say, and the problem is X, Y, and Z. He then uploads that to the network, and almost in real time, the engineers back at HQ can see, right, that is where the problem is. I now know what I need to do.
Salesforce and Cognizant have worked together for a number of years, and it's really that experience and ambition that has allowed us to deliver something really special and intuitive.
Salesforce as a platform for asset management hasn't been done in the rail industry, and actually really broadly, we think worldwide, for this purpose. So it's true innovation at its core.
The relationship with Cognizant has been core to making this programme a success. Cognizant has really had an ambition to drive a new, intuitive asset management platform across Network Rail, and they really recognised that Salesforce would be able to meet their needs.
I can only see the outputs of Citadel benefiting us in making us more efficient, more cost effective, and by using those resources more wisely, have a safer experience both for our staff and our passengers.